Jika Anda membawa barang ke kawal masuk ke negara Vietnam, anda hendaklah mengisi borang tersebut yang boleh didapati di Balai Ketibatan. Terima kasih.
Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign is now off. For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you are seated. Please be informed that immigration card for entering into Vietnam is not required. However, if you have goods to declare, please fill out the form which is available at your arrival for declaration purposes.